Hi, boys and girls. So this week, Mrs. Balaban is going to be teaching you science. And this week, we're going to kick off science talking about the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing. So what is the difference between something that is living or non-living? Well, something that is living is or was alive. If something is non-living, it was never alive. So to give you some examples of things that are or were living, are animals and plants. And some things that are non-living things are things like rocks or trucks or water. So today, the first thing that I want you to do is go back to the lesson plans, and I want you to find the book on Get Epic. You're going to copy and paste that into your web browser, and you're going to watch the read to me. It's a read to me, so it'll read it to you, and it's going to teach you some more about the difference between something that's living and something that's non-living. And then you're going to draw a picture. On one side, you're going to draw something that is living, is or was living. And then on the other side, you're going to draw something that was never alive, something that is non-living. So I'm going to show you my example, and then it's your turn. So here's my paper. I just folded it in half. You can use your journal, whatever you have. And at the top of one side, I wrote living, and at the top of the other side, I wrote non-living. And on the living side, I drew a picture of a turtle because a turtle is alive. And on this side, I drew a picture of something that's non-living. I drew a picture of a car. And we're going to learn more about non-living items, that non-living items or non-living things move, but they weren't alive. And some living things move and are alive. So these are two examples of living and non-living. They both move, but one is alive and one is not alive. So go ahead and watch the video, and then you can draw and label your own pictures. Bye, boys and girls.